These are the top 2 selling dustpan and broom sets, and I'm gonna give you a review on each one of them. So this one is made by TreeLen, and this is a great set, what you would expect for a dustpan. I do really like how it has this comb here, so that when you're sweeping and you have stuff stuck onto the broom, you don't need to go like this to get all the hair and whatever else dust that's on there. You simply swipe it here, and you can see it's doing it right now, even though I didn't really even sweep. So it's doing it for you. You don't have to clean the bottom of the brush, which is one thing I always hated about sweeping. I do also like that it's easy to disengage this so that when you're ready to store it, it's a nice, easy way to store. You can fit it in a broom closet, between things. It's very easy to store. My absolute favorite feature of this is the adjustable heights. Most dustpan sets that I've ever had, the broom and the dustpan handles are the same size. So when you're sweeping, you're hunched over trying to sweep. But with this is a full-size broom. You can adjust it. You can make it shorter if you'd like, but I like that this is like a real broom, whereas other sets that I've had, it's not a real broom. It's basically just to serve as getting things into the dustpan, but you can sweep your whole floor with this broom and then bring your dustpan and do it. And it has this lip here to help really touch down to the floor to really get things into the dustpan, which is also an important feature. And you can tell it's made well. It's thicker plastic, it's heavy duty. This is definitely gonna last a long time. And here we have this one, which is very similar to this one. This is the Kokotong one, also a bestseller. It has very similar features. It has the comb. It's a nice black and red style. It also disengages from here to be able to store just like the other one. It has the same extension of broom height so that you can use it as a real broom and then bring your dustpan over when you're ready for it. And it has the same lip here to help get all your stuff into the dustpan. I will say the quality of the broom seems to be a little bit better on this one. This one will definitely do the job, but I feel like there are more bristles on this one and they're a little sturdier in my opinion. But you can, like I said, it's fully customizable. The thing I like about this one is the handle on the dustpan, and the dustpan is taller. You have more extension pieces with this particular model, and the broom is taller because it has a handle at the very top. So it's really just personal preference. I think they're both great products. I think I lean more toward this one just for quality purposes, but I believe that they will both do the job. They're both well done, and I really like the height options that you have with both of these. So you can't go wrong with either one. Definitely check them out.